This car's door was smoothed with PDR after an accident, and we were contacted for a paintless repair, and we charged $200 for this car. First, we removed the edges of the damaged areas with a blade. Then we smoothed the inside and edges of the damaged areas with 500 grit sandpaper. In the next step, we smoothed the damaged areas with putty to get a good result. This will make our paint come out smooth. After the putty dries, we smooth it with 500 grit sandpaper and remove the excess putty. Mix the paint that we have prepared for the car with 1/2 hardener, dryer. Apply the first coat with our fingers on the damaged areas until the second and third coats completely cover them. Apply the second and third coats with a credit card. There are only 2 points to this. First, make sure that the paint you apply with the card is smooth. Second, make sure that the paint around the area where you apply the card is less thick. After the paint is completely dry, we smooth it with 2500 grit sandpaper until it completely disappears. And finally, we finish the job with 2 stages of polishing. Thank you for watching this far. Don't forget to like,